Hi students, today we are going to learn how to conjugate ER and IR verbs in Spanish. Remember that conjugating a verb means changing the form of the verb so that it agrees with the subject. Some ER verbs that we have that we're going to start with are the verbs comer, to eat, vender, to sell, beber, to drink, leer, to read, and aprender, to learn. So remember that when you conjugate a verb, the first thing you do is take off the ending, and with an ER verb, the ending is ER, and you're going to add the following endings. For the yo form, you add O. For the to form, you add es. The él, ella, usted form, you add e. Nosotros, you add hemos. Vosotros, you add eis. And ellos, ellas, ustedes, you add en. So let's practice with the verb comer. Our first step is to take off the ER from our verb, and then we're going to add the endings that we just learned above. So the verb comer in the yo form, meaning I eat, is como. The to form, you eat, comes. The él, ella, usted form, he or she eats, come. The nosotros form, we eat, comemos. You all eat, coméis. And they eat or you all eat is comen. Okay, so easy enough. We just took off our endings and added our new endings, just as we did when we learned our AR verbs. Now, IR verbs are very similar. Some IR verbs that we know are escribir, to write, vivir, to live, and compartir, to share. The endings with ER and IR verbs are almost the exact same. The only ones that are different are the nosotros and the vosotros forms. So for the yo form, just as with ER verbs, we add o. The to form, we add es. El, ella, usted, we add e. And ellos, ellas, ustedes, we add en. The two forms that are different from ER verbs are nosotros and vosotros. In the nosotros form, we're going to add imos, and vosotros will add is. So let's practice with the verb escribir, which means to write. So the yo form, meaning I write, is escribo. The to form, you write, is escribes. The él, ella, usted form, he or she writes, escribe. The nosotros form, we write, escribimos. The vosotros form, you all write, escribís. And the ellos, ellas, ustedes form, you all or they write, escriben. When you finish watching this video and taking notes, please follow the directions on the document I sent you and go to conjuguemos.com and complete the ER-IR verb activity.